I think maybe what I might want to do is make this an obtuse angle and salvage as much of the glass as we can. So that can sit in the rack like that. And we didn't waste a whole lot of glass. You know, the object, oh, this is pretty. The object is not to waste a bunch of glass, but to square it up, do two things. Make it so that you can't get hurt on it in the rack and make the rack look pretty. So here we go. Now these are all goofy, so we do have a square edge here. So we're gonna pop this off right here like that. Then we get rid of that. And I think we can get rid of that right there. It's got a big flare on it. Take my grousers down and away. This is pretty. It's kind of a jagged edge right there, but it's really not in too bad a shape. So let's just take this and let's just do this. Just like that. So we got it too thin right there, but that's okay. Grab your grousers, pull down and away. And when you get that, you have that little ear there. That's it. Now this piece can go in the rack and it'll sit there like that. Okay. This is just a really pretty color glass. They must save that for Christmas trees this year. Let's get rid of that point because that's going to hurt somebody. Okay. Pull down and away.